Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Silverado key. This easy method will help you get your new key fob working in just a few minutes. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure all your Silverado's doors are completely closed, then get inside with your key. We're ready to begin the simple process. Now, let's get your Silverado into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition, but do not turn the engine on. Next, press and hold the unlock button located on the driver's side door. While still holding that button, quickly turn your key in the ignition to the on position, then off, then on, and finally off again. Release the unlock button, and you'll hear the door lock cycle, confirming you're in programming mode. With your Silverado now in programming mode, it's time to program your key fob. Take the key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Keep holding these two buttons down until you hear the vehicle's door lock cycle once more. This second cycling sound is your confirmation that the key fob has been successfully programmed to your Silverado. To finalize the programming process, insert the key back into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, which will exit the programming mode. Once you remove the key, it's crucial to test all your key fobs, including any old ones and the newly programmed one. Make sure every button, like lock, unlock, and panic, works perfectly. Congratulations, you've successfully programmed your Chevy Silverado key.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.